Good morning everyone. This is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School Mahendragarh. So students, today we will discuss about modals. As you know, modals are the auxiliary verbs which are used before main verbs to show mode or manner of the action denoted by main verb. Right? They express such ideas like possibility, probability, duty, suggestion, advice, moral duty, strong obligation, strong belief. All such type of ideas are expressed by using modal auxiliaries. Actually, modal auxiliaries are called modal verbs. Right? So these are the verbs. Modal auxiliary are called modals. They are used before main verb to show mode or manner of the action denoted by main verb. Modal auxiliaries are called modals. They are used before main verb to show mode or manner of that action denoted by main verbs. Actually, they express such ideas like they are used to express such ideas like probability, possibility, suggestion, advice, moral duty. Express possibility, ability, power, moral duty, suggestion, advice, compulsion, past habit, etc. The verb or the modal auxiliaries which shows or express possibility, probability, ability, power, capacity, capability, moral duty, suggestion, advice, moral duty, compulsion, necessity, past, habit, venture, all such ideas are expressed by using modal verbs. And what are the characteristics of modals? Modals can be used only before main verb. They can't be used independently. Separately, they can't be used separately because they are modal auxiliary. These are the auxiliaries, right? Primary auxiliaries can be used independently as a main verb too, but modal auxiliaries can't be used independently. They can't be used separately, right? So we have to, whenever we have to show ability, possibility, permission, moral duty, suggestion, then we will use modals, right? Now we will discuss when we can use modals and which are the modals which can be used as a possibility, as a permission, as a power, as a ability. Look, can, could. First let me write which are the auxiliaries which can be used as a modals. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Can, may, shall, will. These are the models which can be used in present tense, and these are the past form of these models. Could is the past form of can, might is past form of may, and should is past form of shall, and would is past form of will. These are the past form. Otherwise, could, should, would, might, they can be used in present tense also, but they are used in present tense. They are used to present tense to express such different things, different ideas, right? So whenever we use can, may, shall, or will in present tense, so all these ideas are expressed in past by using these models, right? Next, such other models also, like must, or to, used to, there, or to. Yes. Yes, listen students, these are the models which will take v1, which we will take v1, but here I have written used and or to. After that I have used to, because they already take to after them. After that we will also use v1 verb, first form of verb, but they are models which will take bare infinitive. And here if I use if I give example, I used to walk daily, it means I had a habit to walk. It express a habit of past. It express past habit. After that used, after the used I have used here to, because already it takes to along with it, and they can't take to infinitive, they take bare infinitive without to, v1, right? So these are the two models which take to along with it. So can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, dare, used to, or to, these are the etc. Like has to, have to, had to, these are also modal auxiliaries which can be used here. So these are the models which we will discuss now, right? Further we will discuss when we can use them, when we can use them as a possibility. Models of possibility, can, may, might, all these three models can be used as a model of possibility, right? So like this, all rest of the models are used to express the ideas, probability, permission, moral duty, strong obligation, like, right? So rest of the models will be discussed in next video. Thank you.